Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up parental controls on an iPad to create a safe digital environment for your child, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on the iPad by tapping the gray gear icon on your home screen or in the app library. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time to access all parental control and usage management features. Step 3. Tap Turn on Screen Time if this is your first time accessing this feature. Screen time allows you to monitor and control device usage. Step 4. Choose whether this iPad belongs to you or your child. Select This is my child's iPad to enable more comprehensive parental control options. Step 5. Set up downtime by specifying hours when only essential apps and phone calls are available. This helps establish healthy device usage routines. Step 6. Configure app limits by selecting app categories and setting daily time limits for each. You can limit social media, games, or entertainment apps individually. Step 7. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable the toggle. Here you can restrict inappropriate content, prevent purchases, and block specific apps or features. Step 8. Create a screen time passcode that only you know. This prevents your child from changing these settings. Make sure to remember this code as it's difficult to recover if forgotten. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.